Hello everyone, welcome to Glamour Digital Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to create cartoon effect on Photoshop. I'm choosing one model photo. Copy the layer. Before that, erase the background image. Then go to filter and apply poster edge. Then go to image adjustments. And select the percentage 45. Again go to filter and stylize and oil paint. Follow the percentage what I mentioned. Then invisible the image. Again go to filter, poster edges and decrease the percentage. And visible the first image, first layer. Then go to the multiply light. You will find the cartoon effect. Then go to the image and adjustment, huge saturation and increase the saturation amount. Or you can adjust the level. You can reduce the noise on the face. Go to filter, blur, surface blur, and decrease the percentage. Or you can go to filter and camera raw effects and reduce the noise on the face. Increase the vintage and now we will see the noise reduction percentage. Increase the percentage up to 80 then you will find the perfect cartoon effect. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share with your friends.